Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge is Power. Today let us discuss about pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis is a tool for studying human inherited diseases. Pedigrees are often used to determine the mode of inheritance, whether it is dominant, recessive, etc. to detect any kind of genetic diseases. So before starting the topic, let us know the different symbols in pedigree analysis. If there is a symbol showing a square without any color, then the male is unaffected. If the square is with color, then it is affected male. If the circle is without any color, then it is female unaffected. If the circle is with color, then the female is affected. If the shape is like diamond, then it is unknown sex. If the person is dead, then a circle with a line cross, it is dead. Now, if the square is connected with the circle in a single line, it will be considered as mating. If the square is connected with the circle in a double line, it will be contiguous mating. And a circle, when it is mated with a square, the offsprings are produced. The diagram in here it shows the offsprings are affected. In pedigree analysis, generally two types of questions are asked in the examination. So one is about the autosomal. The autosomal, it can be dominant or recessive, and about the X-linked chromosome, it can be dominant and it can be recessive. So how to find out whether the affected individuals are recessive or dominant, whether the affected individuals are X-linked, dominant or recessive. So for that we need to know some certain tricks. Firstly, we have to consider the skipping of generation. So, in case of recessive cases, the skipping of generation is possible. That is, we can say yes, skipping of generation is present. And if the cases are dominant, there will be absence of skipping of generation. So, traits are available in all generation. Okay. Now we'll look the second trick, that is we'll focus on the crisscross inheritance. In the pedigree diagram, we'll observe that from the father if the disease is transmitted to daughter, and again from the daughter if it is transmitted to son. It means from the father ultimately the disease has been transferred to grandson. If yes, then it is X link, and if it is not transmitted from father to daughter and from daughter to son, then we can say as autosomal. Now coming for the observation, again we'll observe in the diagram, then if the disease is transmitted from dad to daughter, then it is dominant X link. Okay, and if the traits on the Y chromosome are only found in males and it never transmitted to females, then it is Y link inheritance. It means father traits are passed to only sons. Hope you all guys got brief idea how to calculate autosomal dominant cases, autosomal recessive cases, X linked dominant and X-linked recessive cases. So for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And due to lackage of time, I am unable to show these tricks with the help of example. So hope you guys will understand and please support my channel. Thank you.